Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing good. Before you jump up into the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So in today's video, I'll create this beautiful look. I really kept it simple. Let's start by prepping our skin. I use this Nivea cream. I love the way the base sets up when I use this cream. For my foundation, I have used Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte Foundation. I'm in the shade N260 Natural Honey. For my brows, I have used Swiss Beauty pencil. I'm just filling up the gaps. For my eyeshadow, I have used a Revolution palette. I have used two shades of brown. First, I am using Honey. I'm just applying all over my lid. For the shimmer shade, I've used the same palette. I'm applying on my lid. For my lower lash line, I've used the same eyeshadow. I have used L18 Kajal. For my highlighter, I've used the same shimmer shade that I applied on the eyelid. I'm applying on the bridge of my nose. For my blush, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me. I used Maybelline Hypercurl Mascara to curl my eyelashes. To complete this look, I have used a bindi. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel.